This woman and her husband bought their first house together, saved for 5 years, finally got the keys, their dream home. His mother was happy for them, or so they thought. 6 months later, the husband dies suddenly. Heart attack. He was only 34. She's devastated, grieving, trying to figure out how to move forward. 2 weeks after the funeral, her mother-in-law shows up with a lawyer, says the house was supposed to go to her, that her son promised it to her before he died, demands she sign over the deed. This woman is in shock, still crying every night, can barely function, and her mother-in-law is threatening to sue her for the house. But here's what the mother-in-law didn't know. When they bought the house, they set up the deed as joint tenancy with right of survivorship. Legal terms that mean if one dies, the other automatically owns everything. No contest, no will needed, automatic. She shows the deed to a lawyer. The lawyer says, she has zero legal claim. This is your house, period. But the mother-in-law doesn't stop. Starts calling constantly. Shows up unannounced. Harasses her. Says she's stealing from the family. She even tells other family members she's a gold digger who manipulated her son, so she stops being nice. Gets a restraining order. Cease and desist letter. Everything is documented. Then she finds out something interesting. The mother-in-law had been pressuring her son to change the deed before he died. Wanted him to put her name on it for estate planning. He refused. Multiple times. She has the text messages to prove it. So she takes those texts, the harassment evidence, all of it, and files a lawsuit. Defamation. Harassment. Intentional infliction of emotional distress. The mother-in-law tries to play the victim. I'm just a grieving mother. But the judge reads the texts. She sees her son explicitly refuse her multiple times. Rules in the widow's favor. Mother-in-law has to pay $25,000 in damages, plus legal fees. Plus, she's barred from contacting her ever again. The rest of the family? They saw everything. Cut contact with the mother-in-law. The woman still lives in that house. Turned the spare room into a memorial for her husband, and every time she walks through the door, she remembers. He protected her, even after he was gone. Sometimes the best revenge is just keeping what was always yours, and making sure the people who try to take it learn a very expensive lesson. Grieve your loss, but don't let anyone steal your future.